99% people don't know this trick while making noodle, and therefore the taste of the noodle they don't find what they eat in a restaurant or at street. Watch this complete video and find out the reason and recipe both. Once you learn how to make it, you can't unlearn. So here is the recipe with few tricks and tips. First boil the water with 1 teaspoon oil, salt as per taste. Add spaghetti into it. Do not overcook the spaghetti. Cook them till they are just done because they will continue to cook once you toss them with the veggies. Once it's done, strain the water and leave it under a runny water so it won't stick and keep aside. Now use a big wok or kadai. Add 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Keep flame high throughout the cooking process, but be careful not to burn. Add in 2 tablespoons of ginger garlic paste. Saute it for few seconds. Then add spring onion, that white portion, and also the red onion which we use regularly in our kitchen. Saute it slightly. After that, add all the sauces like 2 teaspoon vinegar, 1 teaspoon soya sauce, 1 tablespoon chili sauce, 1 tablespoon tomato sauce, 1 tablespoon Szechuan chutney, 1 teaspoon black pepper powder. Add chicken cube, but it's optional, you can skip this. And the sauces also you could adjust more or less according to your taste. But I must tell you, you don't forget to add Szechuan chutney, it enhances taste. After adding all these sauces, stir it for few seconds. And also be careful while adding salt. I am adding here little bit of salt because already all these sauces contain salt into it. If you require it, then add, otherwise skip it. Saute till oil separates. After that only add all the veggies like 1 medium sized capsicum, 1 carrot, 1/3 cup cabbage, spring onion, that green portion, and simultaneously add boiled spaghettis to it. This spaghettis you could also store as well. Just strain the water completely, let it dry and store in an airtight container and refrigerate it. And whenever you need, just remove it and use it. You can store this up to 1 week if you are storing it properly. Now here is the very important thing. Just saute it only for 2 minutes on a high flame. Do not cook them, just make them well combined with all the sauces on a high flame, and that's it. Secret to good tasty Chinese is not to overcook anything. You just need to toss your veggies on a very high flame literally for 2 minutes and season them with sauces of your choice. The crunchiness of the veggies should remain into the noodle. With this, off goes the flame, and here the crunchy, tasty, street style noodle is ready to bite. Make this, try this, and trust me, you're gonna have blast. If you find my videos interesting, please give a like to my video, share my video, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.